Alright, off-road test 1. Turn my music down. Can't fucking hear it. That's why you don't put your shit in your pocket without zipping it up. That's it. Grab it, turn it down. Oh, I think you'll be able to hear me now. Dustin's on his way. We're about to go. My friend Dustin. This is my Cabo 50. Actually, let me do the back and shit. This is my bike. Whatever. Do it with Dan. Set my ass. That's a Dan. What? Can you fix you this, buddy? Don't think so. It's more Jake style, man. No foot down turnaround here, I don't think. I don't know, I might be able to burn out. God, this shit is rough. You get so much trouble going through this shit, too. Yeah. Off-road test. Not want to stay up straight either. Let's break it down apart. This is a disclosed location. Stunt performed by a professional driver. Closed location, all stunts performed by professional drivers. I got popped my fucking tire. Dog. So I got this bike weighs like 100 fucking something pounds. Oh I got a freaking chargeable drill in my back and I can't fucking do anymore. There's people that are probably thinking I'm fucking crazy. There's that same damn truck. I've seen it in here. Yeah. Cheers. More glory. Goddamn low man. Yep, that's what she is.